Hello friends, welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today we have launched a very healthy course, and it's a course of millet pizza. So in all the pizza we have not used any maida or wheat flour. All are made from millet flours, and even these pizza are gluten free also. So let's see what are the variety you are going to learn in this course. So this is Tandoori millet pizza. So in today's class, first I will teach you how to make perfect millet pizza base. Okay, then I will show you how to make pizza sauces. Okay, I will show you 2-3 types of pizza sauces and then variety of pizza. Then this is classic veggie millet pizza. So after learning this course, even you can sell all the pizza at commercial level because these pizza are very healthy. They are amazing in taste and full on fibers. Okay, this is cream cheese dessert pizza. Then this is Schezwan Paneer millet pizza. So beside this course, we have 2 more courses in pizza, that is Domino's style veg pizza and another one is Domino's style non-veg pizza. So this is Pesto millet pizza. So in millet we have other courses also such as millet ice cream, then we have millet breakfast, millet cookies, millet cakes and even millet muffin, and they are super tasty. Then this is Margherita millet pizza. We have lakhs of students from India and all over world who have joined our courses, and after joining our courses they have started their small business from home and they are earning good money. And beside these online courses, we have our own brand of masala and premixes, that is Urban Foods. So if you are interested to buy our product of all masala and premixes, so please check the description box where I have given you the buying link. Okay, and even I have given you the contact number. And even if you want to buy these all products in bulk also, you can contact and buy all the products in bulk. So what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phone, dial our number and join your online course anytime, any place and anywhere. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners for this week. So when you join our any online course, you will get recipe PDF and video for lifetime access. Then you will get the certificate, and if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way, you can join our online course anytime, any place and from anywhere. So the first lucky winner is Harshal Tirmare and second is Preeti Darukade. So congratulations both lucky winners. You can claim your free online course by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.